Hi, I'm Sean from GoPower, and today we're going to do some tech tips on the IC3000 inverter charger and the IC2000 inverter charger. Today's tech tip is the correct startup procedure for the IC series from GoPower using the IC remote. So a lot of people ask us when they're starting up the inverter, many people, we have the DC connections connected to battery already, so that's ready to go. We have AC input and AC output all wired in. Everything's ready to start on the RV or on the boat, and they're plugging in before they turn on the inverter charger. And this is going to cause errors, and it's going to cause a problem with the inverter when we do the startup procedure. So what we need to do when we turn it on, right now it's doing a self-diagnostic. If we already had AC power coming through the relays, we would throw up an error at this point, or we would have a problem with the inverter charger. So the proper procedure, turn the inverter on using the IC remote. Then we get to this menu here. Then we can now plug into shore power or plug into your generator. Don't do it out of order. Now the other thing you can do is at this point, I like to set up the shore power, which we're set to. We can see the arrow on it. We'll hit shore power. Right now it's set to 50 amps. If I am plugged in at an RV park that isn't set for 50 amps, I need to turn this down to whatever amperage that outlet can provide. So at many parks it's a 30 amp service. So we'll put here 30, you hit enter. Now the inverter charger will never pull more than 30 amps from that outlet. Same if you're storing the unit at home. When I'm at home, the outlet only actually has a 15 amp breaker on it, so I need to dial this down to 15 amps and set that for 15 amps pass through only, and that's so I don't trip the breaker at home if I start throwing things on like a microwave or whatnot while the inverter's maybe charging at that point, because it'll end up pulling more than 15 amps and it would trip the breaker. So it's a nice little feature. Always set up the shore power right away. In fact, any time you get to an RV park, you should go into the shore power setting and make sure it's set up for what that park can handle.